Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bank of America for transaction categorization workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.bankofamerica.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Bank of America homepage. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your online ID in the designated field. Next, input your passcode in the corresponding field. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Upon successful login, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Navigate to the Transactions tab on the main menu. Click on the Transactions tab to view your account activity. Here, you will see a list of your recent transactions. To categorize a transaction, find the specific transaction you want to categorize. Click on the transaction to open its details. Look for the category option within the transaction details. Open the drop-down menu next to Category. Select the appropriate category for your transaction from the list. If necessary, you can also add a note or tag related to the transaction. After selecting the category, make sure to save your changes. You may have to click the Save or Update button. Repeat these steps for any other transactions you wish to categorize. Once you have finished categorizing your transactions, review them for accuracy. Log out of your Bank of America account by clicking on your profile icon. Select the Sign Out option from the drop-down menu. Ensure you have logged out securely before closing your browser. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.